Hello children, welcome to the Kids TV. Today we will learn vegetables name. Which vegetable is this? This is amaranth leaves. Which vegetable is this? This is arrowroot. Which vegetable is this? This is artichoke. Which vegetable is this? This is aubergine. Which vegetable is this? This is bamboo shoots. Which vegetable is this? This is beetroot. Which vegetable is this? This is bell pepper. Which vegetable is this? This is bitter gourd. Which vegetable is this? This is black pepper. Which vegetable is this? This is bottle gourd. Which vegetable is this? This is broccoli. Which vegetable is this? This is cabbage. Which vegetable is this? This is carrot. Which vegetable is this? This is cauliflower. Which vegetable is this? This is celery. Which vegetable is this? This is chickpeas. Which vegetable is this? This is chili. Which vegetable is this? This is cluster beans. Which vegetable is this? This is colocasia root. Which vegetable is this? This is coriander leaf. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.